Does anyone notice anything strange? Maybe another brooder box beside the one box? Yes. I have more little babies. However, I did not buy these. They were given to me. Someone did photo shoot and didn't have anything to do with the animals afterwards, and I wanted to make sure that they had a good home. Also, there's 2 ducks in there because they bought 2 ducks when they bought their couple chicks. And so I have a 2 Pekin ducks, and I have a Buff Orpington, supposed to be a pullet, and then a meat bird, because what are you going to do with one meat bird? So, lady, what are you doing? She's playing. So these ladies are getting ready to go into their forever coop, down to my grandparents, at least until I get a home of my own. So they're going later this week, maybe Good Friday, maybe earlier if I can get the coop cleaned out and ready to go. That's where they're going to be going. These little ladies will be moving into their coop, but this was my setup, and then I have a heater that's been on them. I just took it off to do this video because my my heating pad went out and I need to buy a new one, but they've actually been doing very well. So here's the babies. So I have my 2 little ducklings. There's my Buff Orpington baby, and there's my meat bird. Something to note, ducklings are very, very cuddly. Very, very cuddly. And they're also very protective of that little baby. The meat bird is just kind of on his or her own. Here, baby. Excuse me. But, I don't know if you notice, I have dice in their water. And I did the same concept with the bigger birds whenever they were small. You don't want your chicks to get wet. And you don't even want your ducks to get wet when they're this little because they don't have the oils yet. So, with the other birds, I actually did little Winnie the Pooh characters so that they could get water, but they couldn't actually accidentally drown or submerge themselves and get too wet. So, you can use marbles or whatever. They're super cheap. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. I just had these on hand since I wasn't really expecting to get ducks and more birds at this particular point in my life. But I'm happy to have them. My husband is now sold on ducks. So we think it's a good... We're glad we have them because we've been on the fence about getting them. And there's pros and cons to chickens or ducks. Some people are duck people, some people are chicken people, some people have both. And from the way it's going right now, I think we'll probably be both. But I shall see, and I will bring you along for whatever we decide. But they are just so cute and cuddly. I adore them. My husband adores them. As far as the meat bird, I may actually try to give it away because I'm wanting to do meat birds in June because I want to raise them all outside and on grass. So I really don't want to raise one meat bird and then do all the process to process one meat bird. I don't know yet. I'm on the fence, but right now it has a happy home with everyone else. So, can you have ducks with your chicks? Absolutely. They work the same way, and you could even have ducks in your coop, although ducks are messier because they like water. So, we have the 2 right now. If we decide we want more, we will make them their own coop for whenever we get more. It just depends on how much we like them. So, that is it for this video. I will bring you back for another update or a new recipe or canning session. Who knows? That little Buff Orpington's the boss, though. I will let you guys go. Thank you for watching.